Welcome back, Webflow creators. Today I am showing you the absolute easiest ways to add high-quality video to your Webflow site, whether you need a standard player or a sleek background video. Let's get started. Before jumping in, make sure your video is optimized. If you're providing the file, stick to an MP4 format at 1080p to keep things fast and looking sharp. If you're using a platform like YouTube or Vimeo, simply copy your video URL. Inside your Webflow project, open the Elements panel on the left by clicking the plus icon. Find the video element and drag it straight onto your page. A settings panel will instantly pop up where you can paste your video URL. Webflow automatically handles the heavy lifting, and you can easily tweak the settings to fit your layout perfectly. If you want an immersive, modern look, a background video is the way to go. Open that same Elements panel, but this time, drag the background video element into your target section. Click on the placeholder video, hit Replace Video, and upload your optimized MP4 directly from your computer. Keep this file under 30 megabytes for the best performance. Once uploaded, you can adjust the looping behavior and tweak the overlay opacity right in the settings so any text placed on top remains completely readable. Once you hit Publish, you will have a highly engaging web page featuring crisp, responsive videos that load instantly and look incredible on any device, whether they're playing seamlessly in the background or sitting perfectly within your content flow. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more fast and easy Webflow tips. Drop a comment below letting me know what feature you want me to cover next, and I will see you in the next video.